Hello, my dear friends. Good morning. This is Jijo Vijayan here from Jijo Vijayan's Affiliate Program Academy. In this podcast, I want to teach you how to market your products and services through Telegram group. Most of you have heard of this particular software or mobile app called a Telegram. This is an instant message application that is very popular all over the world. It was started by a Russian entrepreneur in 2013 and now it's becoming very popular day by day. I am using Telegram app for marketing my products and services and you can also do the same. One of the biggest advantages of Telegram group is that it is running on cloud, means all the data that you upload in the group, it will not consume the space or hard disk of your phone. It will directly go into the cloud. For example, you post a YouTube link in a Telegram group, then you try to open that YouTube video. The YouTube video will open from the cloud server of Telegram server. So it will not consume your hard disk space and it is easy also. The biggest advantage with Telegram group is that you can add 200,000 people, while in WhatsApp group you can add only 256 members. Telegram group, the biggest advantage I found is that the mobile numbers of members will not be visible. For example, in WhatsApp group, whenever you join, you can see the mobile numbers of all the members, and this is a very big security risk. People can misuse the mobile numbers or send vulgar messages and still may be vulnerable. But in case of Telegram, it is not the case. Unless until the person give you the mobile number, you cannot contact that person. Only his ID will be visible. The biggest advantage for Telegram group is that it is easy to use and very easy to handle with respect to security. It is high security enabled and do not consume space in your hard disk in mobile phone. In WhatsApp you can send only 17 MB data as a file, but in the case of Telegram you can send up to 1.GB file. This is a very big advantage of Telegram. In Telegram group you can create channels, and these channels will have members of a particular community with a particular interest. This is working on unlimited cloud because this is a cloud platform and all the data available in the cloud system is encrypted and it is highly secure. When you work with Telegram, rest ensure that your data is highly secured and nobody can reveal anybody's identity unless and until he wish to do so. The other biggest advantage with Telegram group is that there is something called secret chat. In secret chat, you can chat with people who you like and share files, videos, etc. And this data will automatically get erased and there will not be any trace after some time. Suppose if you want to chat secretly or talk secretly, it is possible through Telegram. Video calling facility is also available in Telegram group and the voice clarity is excellent. I have recently tested the same with a friend of mine in US and the voice clarity in Telegram group is excellent. What you need to have is a fast internet connection. So this is a wonderful instant message application which you must use. What you need to do is download the Telegram app, then give a name to your Telegram group and start a group. You will get a shareable link. You share that link in all the social media and send it to your friends and add people in that particular niche. For example, you are promoting weight loss affiliate program or you have a product for weight loss, then target all those people who may be interested in weight loss and bring them to the Telegram group and slowly introduce your products and services in the Telegram group to the targeted audience and try to get personal with them. So the people if they like your product and service you offer, then they may buy your product. When you run Telegram group, you have to be careful. What you need to do is you have to focus on a particular niche or a particular aim. There should be an aim. Do not randomly invite people and give them random messages. This Telegram group you launch should have a purpose, and this purpose should be clear right from the beginning. So make a plan and start a Telegram group today itself for a business, and this is an unlimited opportunity. 200,000 members can join in a single group. For example, imagine if your Telegram group is having 10,000 members also, you post a product today, and out of 10,000 members, if 1% or 1% of people also buy that particular product, it is 100 sales. So that is the beauty of Telegram group. But bringing people to the Telegram group is possible only after you give value to them. You have to convince that you offer a value product or service, and that is going to solve a problem of the people. Telegram group is a wonderful application. I like it very much. You can also download the same and use the same. And this is a wonderful tool for personal communication as well as for business communication. And I think you will take a decision to start a Telegram group today itself. I have given the links to my Telegram group. You can join and we can interact on a regular basis. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Regards, Jijo Vijayan from Jijo Vijayan's Affiliate Program Academy. Jai Hind.